What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Yadi Girl Flavor. Welcome to 2022. Happy New Year, everybody. Thanks for watching my videos. Like, sharing, and comment. Make sure you guys look at all these thumbnails and go ahead and catch up on what you didn't get caught up on. And stick with me for this year and see the recipes that I continue to create. I hope everybody will have a blessed year. And remember, with God, everything is possible. Happy New Year, everybody.